everyone, welcome back to my channel Self Study with Navi. So in this video I'm going to show you my online class routine plus one thing more. What is that? That is collaboration. So any guesses?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Navi's channel. And you guys must be thinking that who am I and what I am doing at Navi's channel. So I am Chahat Bhaktani and I'm a 9th grader and I live in Jaipur. I am a very small YouTuber and I make study related videos. So if you like to see study related videos, so make sure to check my channel out. So at last I wanna pray to God and I hope that Navi will get 1k subscribers.
Thanks Chahat, and guys, if you're searching for this type of video then go and check it out her channel. The link is in the description and make sure to subscribe her too. So guys, now before starting the online classes, what I'm doing, I'm just planning my day. So what's meaning by planning my day means I'm just writing the things which I have to do today so that I can get a reminder. And what is that? Yeah, so that I can give a good time, or you can say good productivity for my studies. So make sure to plan your day first, and if you want a video how to plan your day then comment down. So friends, I have completed my planning. So it's time 9 am and my classes are starting from 9 and it ends to 1. So our first class is of SST Social Studies and I've just appealed to join now. So the till ma'am enters me. So what I'm doing, I'm just reading the chapter which we have read yesterday so that I can get you can see a clear cut understanding that what we have read yesterday and what we have to read today. So make sure to read your chapter before the class starts. So you can see I'm just now writing the important questions which our ma'am told us to mark on the book so that it will be helpful to the for the test day, or you can say exam day. And you can say we are just when we are revising the chapter, it is important to just give a clarify to that topic. So my dear friends, I just want to ask you that what tips you are following while you are studying, or you can say attending the online classes, as the online classes is must because it gives us, you can say, it's a, we know that today's time the offline are not coming, so what we can do, we can just understand from online also. It's up to same, but the place is changed. Instead of school we have to sit at our homes, like you can see in our class 9 chapter is there, I think so, the fun they had in which they are, you can say, studying at home. Yes, so it's that you can see the environment is just like that, but we have to study because we have to make a study, you can say, environment so that we can just give more time to a study than the unnecessarily things. So I just want to hope that you will study from today, and if you want a video that how to plan, or you can see how to study, so go and comment down. And one more thing, if you want a video that tips while studying online classes, then go and comment down. I have many ideas, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can give many and many tips and you can score good marks. Okay, I have many videos ideas in my mind so that I can be share with you all, but it's, I want your support also and my support also, that I will just share my tips to you all, and those tips will be too different and too effective to you that you will get above 90%. But you have to just give a concentration, focus. What you will do, I will also tell these type of things in my that video, and if you want, please give a target 20 to 25 likes. Okay, not that much, only 20 to 25 likes, and I will going to upload that video. So friends, my English class didn't came, so I have not shooted the video because I have just eaten my breakfast, and now it's time for science class. Timing is 10:30 to 11:15, and let's see what I'm doing. We are doing the chapter number 2. Our teacher is just explaining the yesterday's topic so that we can move on to our next topic and we can get a clear cut understanding. Okay. After taking a break of 15 minutes, we have gone to our maths class. You can see our teacher is just explaining us, and by the way, our teachers, you can see the class ends and we are again joining the class. So what I'm doing, I'm just solving the questions which our teacher is giving us. So after doing the maths, we have get a 10 to 15 minutes so that we can drink some tea, or you can see, but the class is just. So let's start with our last class, which is of Punjabi. So what I'm doing, I'm just setting the things and drinking a cup of milk with Oreo. Who like Oreo biscuits most, then comment down. And you wanna know that what are the shoutout rules, what you want, you have to watch my video till end, comment down and subscribe to my channel, and plus answer any one question which I have asked from you, and plus add hashtag productivity with that, and you will get a shoutout in my next video. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing, I'm just scrolling out, not just scrolling on, I'm just giving my attendance to the teacher so that she can know I have joined the class. So at last, I just want to say that you can please check out Chahat Bhaktani's channel. She's a very good YouTuber and she's uploading very good vlogs, and make sure to subscribe her and my channel too.